Jai Hind, dear students. I welcome you all in my geography class. In today's class, I will be discussing the question answers of LC Chapter 1, The Earth in the Solar System. So let's start. Question number 1. What do we see in the sky during day and night? During day and night, we see various celestial bodies like the moon, star, asteroids, and meteoroids. Question number 2. How many planets are there in the solar system? There are 8 planets in our solar system. Question number 3. What is Earth? Earth is the fifth largest planet in our solar system and third planet nearest to the sun. Earth is the place where we live. Question number 4. What do we call a group of stars? A group of stars is called constellation. Question number 5. Why only Earth have life on it? Only Earth have Only Earth has life on it because the conditions favorable to support life are found only on Earth, and also only on Earth you will find water and oxygen, which is essential for survival. After this, few definitions are given over here. You have to read all these definition. Now we will be doing the fill in the blanks. A1. All the 8 planets of the solar system move around the sun in fixed elongated path called orbits. Okay? Next one, B. The 3 planets that have rings around them are Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus. Now, questions for discussion. A1. Why can't we see the moon and all those bright tiny objects during the daytime? So it is asked that why in the daytime we are unable to see the moon and all the stars. The answer is that during the daytime, as the sunlight is in large amount, we cannot see the stars and other celestial body in sky. B. Who are astronomers? Astronomers are person who study about the space. Astronomers are person who study about space. See, there is difference between astronomers and astronauts. Astronomers, they study about the space and celestial bodies, and astronaut, they go in space. C. Discuss a different types of satellites. Basically, satellites are celestial body which revolve around planets. Satellites are of two types. One is natural satellite and second is human made or artificial satellite. Moon is a natural satellite of Earth, and artificial satellites, they are made by the human beings and they are launched in the space, and they also revolve around the earth and gather information. Aryabhat was the first satellite of India. Answer the following question. Is the sun also a star? How does it differ from other stars that twinkle in the sky? Yes, Sun is also a star. It differs from other stars that twinkle in the sky as compared to other stars. The sun is nearest to earth and it is the only source of heat and light for us. B. The atmosphere makes life possible on earth, but the exclusive human activities are deteriorating its quality or natural balance in the atmosphere. How we can conserve our environment? So it is given here that due to the human activities there is a imbalance in the nature. So how we can conserve the environment? So the answer will be we can conserve our environment by first one by planting large amount of trees. Second, by recycling the materials, by reusing the material. And third one, by using more and more public transport. If we are using more and more public transport, then we will be saving the fuel also and there will be less pollution also. And the next one, by not hunting the animals. So these are the various ways by which we can conserve our environment. So dear students, in today's class we have discussed the LC of chapter 1. You all have to write the answers in your copies. The remaining questions we will be discussing in the next class. Till then, take care. Thank you and Jai Hind.